everyone! Are you ready for a super fun challenge? Today, I'm putting you to the test with Are You Smarter Than a 5-Year-Old? The ultimate trivia and quiz game where you can play along right from home. Grab your family, your friends, or even your pet. Let's see who's got the quickest brain. Okay, here's how it works. I'll ask a question and you'll have 5 seconds to shout out your answer. Keep track of your score and no peeking at the answers until I say, ready? Let's jump in. First question, what color do you get when you mix red and yellow? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's orange. Did you get it right? Give yourself a point. All right. Question 2, what's the biggest animal in the world? Think big. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you said blue whale, you're correct. Give yourself another point. Here comes a silly one. What do caterpillars turn into? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Butterflies. They go through a magical transformation. Now, let's test your math skills. What's 5 plus 3? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's 8. Easy, right? Next up, which planet is known as the red planet? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mars. Did you get it? Okay, last question. Make it count. What do you call the house where the President of the United States lives? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The White House. That's right. All right, time to tally your points. How many did you get right? If you scored all 6, you're a trivia superstar. If you got 3 or more, you're definitely as smart as a 5-year-old and maybe even smarter. Thanks for playing along with me. If you had fun, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome quizzes and challenges. Let me know your score in the comments and what kind of quiz you want to play next. See you next time, superstars!